So hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a beautiful Shopify store. So you will see the stories look like that, and the something you cannot build in Shopify. Okay, so this is the dynamic, and I think if you are a restaurant owner, if you have a food business, if you have any cloth business, shows business, and if you have any type of business, you can use my code. Okay, for this category listing. So when you click on this, you will see a beautiful all product is based on this category. uh, Under the category is displayed properly, right? And if I just click on this all category, you will see all of the categories showing right now. And also this is the beautiful design for a single home first, and this is the custom design. And if you want to create this type of website, you can just simply just visit this website. Okay, and just connect with me on WhatsApp. Okay, you can connect with me on WhatsApp, and also you can connect with me in LinkedIn if you want. So here is my LinkedIn profile. This is my business profile, and also you can just connect with me this URL. Okay, just simply you can search on LinkedIn. It's still loading right now. This one, okay, linkedin.com in the jahidulwd. When you just visit this link, I think you will find me. So by the way guys, this one is a single Shopify store, so single page. And if you're thinking you want to create a business online, you can use this theme, and you can just create your store, then you can start your business, right? So if someone click on this, you will see there is a magnify pop-up feature. Okay, I will share with you this custom this code. Okay, I will share with you this all of the features how you can manage. So right now I am in my Shopify store. You need to just create click on, you can design everything. Okay, like this section header, then this one is the dynamic. Okay, you cannot design this thing, but rest of thing you can customize, and you can design, you can change image and everything. And also this image, this everything you can change. Just I mean this filter thing, when you create it's everything will be appear here, right? So right now I just click on product, then you need to just create collection. Okay, I just built already a lot of collection here. You just click on add new. When you click just add new, automatic all of the collection list will be appear here, right? So if I just click on taste, okay, taste collection, and you can select any category if you want. Then you can select your vendor collection. No, just vendor. Okay, sorry, I just create a add product. Okay, I need to click on add collection. Okay, so just click on collection. Here all of the collection is there. I just type here your collection name. You can add your collection name. I just t-shirt, then just update, and also you can assign the product. Okay, when you create a product, then you can assign your product with collection. And if I click on this, you will see it's automatic change here. It's not changing right now. I think it will take some time, maybe 1 minute. Sometimes it's a caching issue. Okay, sometimes you will see all categories, your collection. If I just reload again, okay, it's still showing right now. If I click on collection, let me check this name is okay. The name is already changed here, but it's not display here. So right now I just click on cookies, and this one just reload it. And you need to just, you can type here PAYEL 1 2 3. Okay, you just type here, sorry, PAYEL 1 2 3. So you see the category name is changed already. So when someone click on t-shirt, the t-shirt all category, all product will be displayed under this category. And when you use a women based cloth, then it will be appear here. And if I click on this, the beautiful magnify light box effect here. Okay, and when someone click on this, the single page will be open. And also if you have a variable type, you can when you create a product, then you can create a variable with your product. Okay, and if I just click on this, and if I click on customization, so you need to just put the for this you are saying I create a menu, so it's a dynamic. When you just create everything, then it should be appear automatically. So right now you will see all of the custom section, and this one, for this one you need the custom liquid. Okay, so I will provide this code in my video description, and you can just simply purchase this code. And after that, how you can add this, so you need to just click on add new, add block. Okay, wait, let me show you. Just add all of the section, right? So right now I will just click on this, and this my all of the if I click on add block. Okay, I just click on this again and click on customization. So for this if I just click on this section, just click on add new section. Okay, then you will find a custom liquid section. When you click on this, I think this one, okay, this one is on in top, then you need to just put this code. Okay, so if I open my notepad, I already have this code. I will provide everything in video description. Okay, so I had the code, sorry, not this one. So, or we can just open. Okay, I will open it here, and I just and we need to just paste this code here. Okay, the custom liquid, and the section will be automatically appear here. You see, the section is automatically appear here. I already you do not need any coding knowledge for that. If I just reload this, let's go to the home page. You see, everything is appear here. Already I add this, so here I already add this section, right? That's why I will remove this liquid code. So I will put this link in my video description, guys, so you can check out and create your online store with dynamic feature and everything. I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you, and if you new on my channel, just subscribe now, Menfia Digital, and if you have any question, just comment below, or you just direct contact with me.